First time eating talkies. Guys, a lot of people said that this is yummy and people said it's spicy. I never tried it before. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. Talkies. It's very small. There's like a guy, he eats like big turkeys like that. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, that's very good. Okay, wallah guys, I didn't have water. Wallah, I didn't have water. So, guys, a lot of people said this is very spicy. Part 2 is coming.